Keep it simple. We can just say random integer in range. We can just say min 1, max 3. So there'll be a reasonably good chance that they will wave. We'll just say drag off the return value equals, and we'll say if this is equal to 3, drag off here and create another branch, connect these two branches. If that is true, we'll go ahead and play the wave animation on the body, and we'll set this to looping for the moment. Quick recap: so if we see a pawn, try to cast it to the third person player character. If that's successful, check if they are waving. If they are waving at us, generate a random number from 1 to 3. If that number is 3, then we're going to wave back. We'll play the wave animation for the body. Before you compile and save that, we'll go ahead and test that. Alright, so that one didn't wave. This one's waving. See if we can get this one to wave. Yep. Alright, cool. So I've got them all waving at me. Now I just want to go ahead and get them to stop waving and go back to their normal walking animation. So we can just drag off here, get them to wave for 3 seconds, and then get them to go back to the normal animation. Okay, set animation blueprint for the body. Just use the animation blueprint. Compile and save that. There we go. Took her a while, but that's alright. That's the way it works. So, yeah, there we go. Perfect. And then, almost perfect. Let's just set both of these to 1 and this one also to 1. Compile, save. So now, just for a bit of testing, they should always be waving when we wave at them. Gotta stop kicking at them. Alright, there we go. So they do go back to the walking. So I think what we could do is say, when we play the animation, disable the character movement, and then delay for 3 seconds, set the animation back to normal, and then we can just re-enable the character movement. Set that to walking, compile and save that. And then if we wave, they go back to the idle animation and then just keep walking around. So that seems to be working. Alright, so it looks like we can just hold the wave and make things get really awkward and they just keep waving, so there we go. Alright, cool. And then, so that seems to be working. Alright, so we can get them to wave, stop waving, they go back to their daily lives. That seems to be working pretty well. Alright, that'll do it for this one, and we'll see what else we can do.